Kinship at Home is a one-day workshop where people can participate from wherever they are. It's online.
It's a format that I think works really well. We meet in the morning, we say hello, get to know each other a bit, talk a bit about what we're going to do in the day, and then we send people outside for some solo time in nature and in your local area. So that might be in a local park, or it might be in your garden, or even from your balcony or your window. And so we send you out with some audio guides or written guides where you can do some simple activities, and then we come back online at the end of the day to reflect and tell the stories of our journeys that we've been on that day.
My memory of the experiences that I've had in facilitating and participating in Kinship at Home is being in an intimate conversation with someone in the north of Scotland and someone in Brighton all at the same time.
And this is like an extra warm welcome to people that may not normally be able to come to a workshop, and that might be through access reasons, or that you live just a very long way away from any of the workshops that we're doing this year. So those two workshops are one in June and one in October, which I think is the last workshop of the year.